we're just gonna go through the shooting.
Hey, come on camera. Focus now, focus.
Hey everybody, welcome to the Pie Range. I'm TK.
I'm Dusty.
And on today's, well, before we get there, no, hang on. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, it means the world to us, and stick around.
Why don't you take your shirt off and be camouflaged where they can't see you?
No. And make sure y'all stick around in and see who gets hit in the face with a pie. We'll see.
You don't want to mess up the beard.
I don't mind getting.
You ain't got a beard.
A little beard.
Yeah, okay.
Well, on today's episode, we're going to take out some fruits, veggies, and different things with some hard-hitting rifles.
Hard-hitting.
Hard-hitting.
Hard-hitting rounds, not rifles.
Yeah, hard-hitting rounds.
We're not going to swing like a baseball bat.
We could try. Well, there's a couple lever actions we can try with. Try like a golf player.
We'll use that AK you got, boy.
No. But yeah, we're going to try them out. We got some new stuff out here. And we got some friends out here to help us out. Let me touch my hat now. In there. All right, you ready, Biggin?
Nope.
You ready yet?
Yep.
All right, let's go.
Got a new gun to the Pie Range family. It's a Rossi R92 44 Magnum lever action. You good?
Oh yeah, little buddy.
Well, all right. 2 for the price of 1.
Woo! It evened out just now. Oh. What do you think, Biggie? You like it?
I'm gonna have to go get some more rounds because I got happy. Gonna have to put some banger hand guards on here, burning my freaking hands. Anyway, here we go, 44 Magnum.
All right, what do you think's gonna happen? Gonna go through the water?
It might stop it. Really?
Yeah. Oh yeah. There's a jug. I think maybe it went through. You might want to check it though.
Hey, it took the cap off.
All right, next one, try to take out a jug with a 7mm Mauser.
You want to try?
Try to. Might not make it.
You having doubts?
We never know. Got a little hunting round right here. Go right there.
I think you should just Google it instead of wasting around. Nah.
It might not go through. Well, what the? I don't trust internet facts. I trust my own facts. There we go. All right, you ready, Biggin?
Nope.
You ready yet?
Yep.
You sure?
Yep.
What, let's see if it went through.
I think she stopped it.
Yeah, I think it stopped.
Somewhere down there.
Yeah, it's somewhere down range, just for dang sure.
What's going on, everybody? It's Miller. Got the 458. Mr. Kaiser done put that new brake on and everything. It's looking good, looking mean. We're gonna put one in this milk jug. Because Mr. Kaiser goes overboard with everything.
Are you good?
Clear.
I would say where'd it go, but pretty sure we know where it went.
Call me the magic man. Alright? Make it disappear, make it appear, that's what we do. Hey, this is DC. I'm gonna take my M1 Garand out. I'm gonna shoot a little bit of steel with it. Just standard full metal jacket.
That's the noise we all want to hear. So what do you think, Biggin? You think that's going to go through the jug?
We're gonna find out.
Awful lot of daggum gun.
What's that quote from Jaws? Smile, you.
Yeah. didn't quite explode. You had a full metal jacket, didn't you?
Yep.
Yeah, full metal jacket right there. I busted out the back of it. Good job, little boy.
Yep.
I'm gonna take some shots with the M1 Garand, and hopefully not ruin my thumb. All right.
Sorry. Trying to get up close and personal.
Get over here though a little bit. I want you to see the rounds fly out. You good?
Yeah. Bet you can't do that again.
What?
Bounce the brass off the barrel like you. Ding!
Clear.
Alright, it's me again. By now, if you watch, you know. 1895 guide gun. Hornaday. Gonna paint some water red. No, I'm kidding.
You think it's gonna go through both of them big ones?
Nah, it might stop in the first one.
Okay.
You good?
Yep.
I told you to stop in the second one. Look.
Yeah, I think that second one stopped it.
You know what? It didn't stop the cap. That's what it was.
That's what it was.
What's going on, everybody? Got the 458 here again. 300 grain full metal jacket. Nothing's fancy.
Just let him shoot
As
some steel
Mr.
real
Cowder
quick.
likes to see. We're gonna shoot some steel. We're live at 5.
Maybe shoot some steel.
I'm no, right?
Yeah.
It's your sight, bro.
Oh, we'll take a look. Hang on.
It could have been operator error.
We'll find that. Could be the sight. I have never sighted in this thing, so.
I felt like I was putting it on. I ain't hit nothing. It might be operator error. We're gonna try this one more again. It's Miller, the 300 grain full metal jacket.
And to give him some credit, that's a very cheap red dot. So.
And I'm used to just letting my muzzle sway hit my shot for me. So we're gonna try being a little more stationary.
Hang on one second. Go forward just a little bit.
Yes, sir.
All right.
You ready?
There. Yep. You smacked that one though. Okay, so we did kind of sight in that red dot, so hopefully, you know, we'll get some redeeming rounds
We're
here.
gonna put it on my shoulders.
No, it should be.
I'm Atlas. I can hold it's what it is.
Yeah, that's what it is.
So it's 300 grain full metal jacket.
Yep.
After Mr. Kaiser used his expertise and sighted it in with a bore laser.
We'll see how good my expertise is in a second.
Oh, hell, it can't be no worse than what I just done.
I think that was the.
That was low.
Yeah, that was.
Oh, that's me.
Yeah, that's.
I can deal with that.
You sure rung the daggum gong of that one down there.
It feels good shooting it, man, though. By this time, you should know who it is and what it is. But it's a 300 grain hollow point hunting round. We're gonna put it in the back end of some cabbage.
I'll go ahead and tell you, this close, you need to aim up just a little bit. All right. Oh, I should have had you aim up a good bit more. We'll do that again. That's my fault. All right, so I gave him one more round. Told him to aim up a little bit. It's my fault. He did hit it, but don't be discouraged, little buddy.
This gun don't like me, and I don't like it.
Okay.
A little better.
It's a little better. Yeah, that'll work. Alright, y'all, we're gonna take out a cabbage real quick with a 7mm Mauser, like a hunting round.
It's gonna stop it.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Well, let's find out.
I think it's the shooter.
Maybe. You ready, biggin?
Yep. Raining cabbage for days.
That's how you destroy cabbage.
Camera on?
Yeah.
Alright, got the Rossi R92 lever action, 44 Magnum. We're getting a little fancy.
Yeah, a little fancy. A little old school fancy. One thing, it doesn't make a thing explode.
I hope that cabbage goes boom. You good?
Yep. Oh yeah.
Like a glove.
Big kaboom. Yes, that worked. 44 Magnum. It'll take care of cabbage. Alright, now we're gonna see if a Honeydew can stop a 458 SOCOM. 300 grain, haul point, like a hunting round.
You should make sure you squeeze that trigger
I got
firmly or it won't fire.
you. I got you.
Slice that thing up so we can eat it.
You good?
Yep.
458, I think will do pretty good against a Honeydew.
Mm-hmm. Gotta wet my lips when I say this. 7mm Mauser.
You think it's gonna chop that pineapple?
Maybe.
Yep, you gotta hold that pineapple good, little buddy.
.410 grain Hornaday hunting round
There you go.
in the 4570 guide gun. I actually thought it was the God gun for a while. We like to load it. Is there a specific place you aim at the water?
Dead center. Up top. Push it over. There you go.
Yes, sir.
I think it went through the watermelon.
I'd say so. Here we have a brand new addition to the Power Range family. PSA AKV 9mm. One of my small contributions to their table full of damn arsenal.
Thing's slick, man.
We're gonna try to plink with it. I think she's good to go, baby.
Good shooting, little buddy.
I got a little trigger happy last go round. Just felt a lot better than I thought it would. Now we got 5 rounds. We're about to put the pineapple.
It's 5 or 6. I don't know how many's in there, but
we're gonna find out. Yeah, we empty.
good job, little buddy. Made the pineapple go bye-bye.
I like his name.
I dig it.
.44 Magnum.
Versus little pineapple.
Little pineapple action. Good?
I'm good, little buddy.
Not too bad.
So we're gonna try to take out the rest of the stuff there with the 4570 1895 guide gun. top of this tree.
Which tree you talking
The
about?
one that was behind you. We're using, what did you say, a 410 grain Hornaday?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Alright, biggin.
You got your ears on?
I got them on, little buddy.
Can you hear me?
I hear you.
Okay. Just make sure you didn't lose your hearing while ago.
Nope.
Better get down a little bit.
You good?
Yeah. Oh!
Clear on that?
Oh!
So it took out those two. And that popped out the back of that.
It went in here. And it popped
Oh,
out.
it did pop out.
Yep.
We're going to explode this stuff with something else though real quick. Alright, now we're going to try to take out the rest of that stuff. I grabbed the 458 SOCOM, 300 grain hunting rounds. I got 4 of them in here. We'll see how it goes. You good, little buddy?
You good. And the watermelon's still sitting there. Sticking out his tongue at you.
Little more than the other one did, but
You clear?
we're clear.
You done seen it get loaded?
Gonna do a little cleanup now.
Yep.
44 Magnum.
I guess it ain't. Yep.
Good job, little buddy. Looks good. Alright, y'all, hope y'all enjoyed that episode. It's kind of fun hitting some different targets with different stuff. Got that new lever action and alright, cousin it. Yeah. But guys, please like, comment, subscribe.
Means the world to us.
Yeah. And so me and the big in here talked about who's gonna get pied.
Not me.
It ain't gonna be me. So someone kind of sort of volunteered, but volunteered himself. We're gonna bring him in now. Come on, Mr. Miller.
Right here in the middle.
I don't know if it's volunteer more than voluntold. I mean, I missed every shot with the 4.5.
No, I'll take all these things from you.
Let's do it, man.
All right, so
Hide my beautiful face.
roll that beautiful bean footage.
You ever watch Miss Doubtfire?
Mm-hmm.
You do? You know what she says when she puts that pie in her face? What she say?
What'd she say?
Like, comment, and subscribe. Miller out.
That's gone.
TK gone.